अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। सिर्फ पाक पे आपको खुश आमदीद कहते हैं। तो आज आपको बताएंगे कि केमिस्ट्री के इम्पोर्टेड जो अहम 10th क्लास के MCQs और उनके साथ में जवाबात। तो ये प्लीज़ नोट करते जाइए, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट लेसन है ये। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, अबाउट 99% एटमॉस्फेयर्स मास लाइज विद इन options 30 kilometer, 35 kilometer, C 15 kilometer and D 11 kilometer. So the right answer is 30 kilometer. Okay जी। तो दूसरा MCQs है, one of the following organic compound found in gasoline: C2H4, C3H8, C8H18, D C12H26. So the right answer is D C12H26. तीसरा MCQs है जी, केमिस्ट्री 10th क्लास, याद रखिएगा। मेन कंपोनेंट ऑफ नेचुरल गैस इज मीथेन, प्रोपेन, ब्यूटेन और डी है प्रोपाइन। सो द राइट आंसर इज ए मीथेन। ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ है और तकरीबन हर साल हर बोर्ड के इम्तिहानात में ये MCQs आ रहा है। सो द फोर्थ वन इज specific heat capacity of water is 4.2 kg. So B, C, D. So the right answer is B 4.2 Gk1 G1 and K minus 1. The fifth ये ज़्यादा नीचे आ गया जी। अभी आपको हम फिफ्थ पे लिए चलते हैं। So fifth is MAT is mixture of FeS and CuO, Cu2O and FeOC, Cu2S and FeS, Cus and FeO. The right answer is C. So the sixth color of iodine is white, blue, purple or red. So the right answer is C. The color of iodine is purple. Number 7, multiple choice question का number 7 है, the organic compounds used as drugs to control bleeding are vitamin A, proteins, lipids or salicylates. So the right answer is B, proteins. Number 8, one of the following is Lewis base NH3 BF3H2 HCl3. So the right answer is A. The A is NH3. So good. Number 9, one of these propellant is found in car exhaust fumes: CO2, O3, N2, H2. Right answer is A, CO2. So MCQ number 10, oxidation of alkenes produce glycol, oxalic acid, formic acid. Right answer is B, glycol. MCQ number 11, the conjugate acid of HP O24. Here the right answer is option C, H2PO4. MCQ number 12, a disease that causes bone and tooth damage is. Here the option is A, fluorosis. Go to answer MCQ number 13. Go number 13. So it's moving more down. Come on. Which of the following is not processing, arranging, manipulating, calculating, gathering? Correct answer is D, gathering is not processing. A device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy is called, the correct option is A, AC generator. Next, number 15, speed of light in water is, so 82.3 by 10. MCQ number 16. The process by which electrons are emitted by a hot metal surface is known as, and the correct option is D, thermionic emission. Number 17, which part of DC motor reverses the direction of current through the coil every half cycle? Correct answer is D, slip rings. The loudness of a sound is most closely related to its amplitude. So the correct answer is D. Image formed by camera is, the correct answer is A here, real, inverted and diminished. Capacitance is defined as, correct answer is Q/V/C. The number of neutrons in a uranium U isotope are, correct answer is B here, 146. MCQ number 22. When did Graham Bell make a simple telephone? So the correct answer is A. He makes simple telephone in 1876. I think everybody knows that. What happens to the intensity of or the brightness of the lamps connected in series as more and more lamps are added? The 4 option increases, decreases, remains the same, cannot be. So the correct answer is B. What was the B? B here, decreases. One heavy nucleus splits into 2 lighter nuclei. The process would be, correct option will be A, release nuclear energy. And number 25, when the magnitude of Kc is very small. The correct option is D. A salt is composed of metallic cation, non-metallic anion, and an anion of a base and anion of an acid. Correct answer is C. Option number 27. Water of crystallization is responsible for shapes of crystals. Correct option is C. Right? Main component of natural gas is methane, propane, butane, propene. Correct option is A. This is also a very important MCQ. Halogenation of methane does it not produce carbon black. Correct option is C. MCQ number 30. Fat soluble vitamin A is A, E, K, all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. So मैं वीडियो को ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं करना चाहता था, इसलिए आज 30 MCQs तक ही रखा. बायोलॉजी और फिजिक्स के MCQs के लिए कल तक कीजिएगा वेट. सो इम्पोर्टेंट 30 MCQs आपको कल हम बताएंगे बायोलॉजी और फिजिक्स के. सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक का बटन दबा दीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. शुक्रिया.